Okay, hello everybody. This is going to be for module number 3, which is for Friday, March the 27th. I hope everybody's doing well, and I'm going to switch it up just a little bit. I think we'll do something a little more fun for today, but I left the sheet up here so you can see for Hess's law. This is the dry lab that we are going to maybe start for today, but I think what we'll do is let's move that until Monday and Wednesday of next week. So that'll give you a chance to just finish up any other questions if you've still been working away at the introductory lessons and Hess's law. And then if you read through the lab activity, if you have a look at the solution set that I posted on the Google Classroom, I've added a few things to here. So even if you just read through the lab to kind of get a sense of what it would have been like, you can see where I've completed one of the calculations for the observation table. So you could follow the same format for reaction number 2 and 3. And the one thing you would do to get ready for the lab though would be to do the equations for reaction 1, 2, and 3. And I've actually put the solution set right here for you. So try them on your own first and then go ahead and check it. But if you look through the lab, you'll see that that's actually what you would do for question number 1. Okay, so you can see there's quite a few things there. And again, don't worry too much about that. Let's do something else. Okay, so I thought, what do we do if we want to find some just reactions that are endothermic or exothermic, and maybe you want to try some experiments at home. If you want to, you could post to the classroom. Oh, no, not that one. You could post something on the post that I put down, and we can play, is it endothermic or is it exothermic? Okay, so here we go. I'll give you a shot with my first experiment. I worked on a few of these at home with my son as we were sending some to Miss G so she could post them on Instagram. So this is my son James, and he is doing an exothermic reaction, but of course you might want to just say now, is it endothermic or exothermic? Do the experiment and then let everybody guess. But here's a pretty simple one right here. So what you do is you take a empty tea bag, try to get a paper one, open it up, take the tea out, and put the piece of paper on a cylinder. So you can put it on a little baking tray. You can let it on fire, and then you can see what happens. So here's an exothermic reaction that's happening in my living room. And as the heat causes the object to become lighter and less dense, it'll simply float up. So that's called the flying tea bag experiment, but it can be pretty exciting when you have a quick look at it. All right, so that's my first experiment for you. The other one that I did on Instagram, I gave to Miss G, was the pop can one. So again, it's obviously an experiment where I just heated up some water, so it more has to do with pressure. But to be honest, you could have anything that is endothermic. Any experiment could be endothermic or exothermic. Here's a little comic that you find online. There's a whole bunch of these all over the place. So if you want to play, is it endothermic or exothermic? Post something to the classroom on the post that I put where the video is, and maybe we'll have a look at them next week. If you want to explain it, that would be even better, right? Show us what's happening. And if you've got anything at home that you can use to make some fun experiments, see what you've got, okay, and give it a try. I know that probably before I left school, I could have grabbed a few things from the prep room, but I didn't. So anyway, if I had a few things at home, I could probably do some more experiments for you too. So find a video or find a comic or do your own video and let's play, is it endothermic or exothermic? Have a great day.